first load.
Had to come out here because we had too many fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 pounder, 25 pounder, 28 pounder, 25 pounder, 20 pounder, 30 pounder. Yeah, big one. Really big one. Yeah, big. Good grief.
I don't even. Heavy counting?
No. You have a counting?
We'll look at the video.
Oh my.
I don't think the rental car with the rental people would be.
Shh. Hertz is listening. Hertz is listening.
I got the ones off the ground.
Wait, don't move that much. Hold still in the video. It makes people dizzy. There you go.
Not even a quarter of the tub.
Well, quit messing around. We got fish to kill, man. I'm asking you to mess around. We're going to kill fish. You kidding me? God. Cowboy boat fishing. Cowboy up, boys. It's like, why'd you come to Wyoming? Let me show you why.
I think we need a bigger truck.
Bigger boat.
Halfway.
Halfway. Yeah, my gas mileage is gonna suck on the way home.
That is ridiculous!
Step up here, crazy.
Holy carp!
Holy
I
carp!
cannot believe
Carpe diem.
I gotta take a picture. Can you get my phone?
Did they show you the big one though? These aren't
Yeah,
the big ones.
I saw that 40 gigantic. Oh my god.
I'll be surprised if it's not 50, but yeah.
God, it's so nice that you guys are thinning these carp out of here.
Yeah, that's what we do it for.
I mean, seriously?
No, we're not bloodthirsty at all. We do it because we like because we're trying to help the environment.
Well, I mean, I'm not a big
Nobody thinks that they're this big in here.
This is giant. People are like, why are you going to Wyoming to go boat fishing? Gee, I don't know.
It's sinking or what? Sucker.
That it?
It's a sucker for bait.
Hey, we're leaving the dock.
Am I gonna grab it?
Steven, I gotta grab it. You got it? Is it empty? Wait, is it empty?
No.
No, it's not empty yet. What do you know? What the heck?
Lighter now.
Floating now.
We're just lighter now.